Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat key. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. You'll also want a new battery if you're replacing it, typically a CR2032. Locate the small seam or a release button on the side of your key fob. Understanding the key's design will make the process much smoother and prevent any accidental damage. This initial preparation is key to a successful and easy opening. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key. If your key has a flip-out blade, press the release button to extend it. This often reveals a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the visible seam, usually near the key ring loop. Gently twist or pry the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and apply steady, even pressure to avoid breaking the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the internal components and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Use your screwdriver or a small plastic tool to carefully pry out the old battery. Most VW Passat keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery, making sure the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are seated correctly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key to ensure it functions properly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. This simple process saves you a trip to the dealership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.